CoinIn app review 2025 pros and cons, authentic and genuine. CoinIn is a 2025 tailored for coin collectors and hobbyists seeking a fast, accurate coin identification and valuation. Leveraging AI-driven image recognition, it can recognize over 270,000 coins worldwide from just a photo, including rare, foreign, and error verities. Each identified coin includes comprehensive historical details, estimated market value, and images, helping users easily assess and monitor their collection's worth. The app also allows users to build and organize personalized digital coin collections and stay informed about the latest numismatic trends. Strengths include a vast and precise database, a user-friendly interface suitable for both novices and experts, and live value updates linked to numismatics marketplaces. However, some premium features require a subscription and valuations can vary with market changes. Overall, CoinIn delivers a dependable and accessible tool for casual collectors and serious enthusiasts alike. Subscribe.